Hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. Today in this video I am going to tell you about self-assurance. What is self-assurance and how Bach Flower Remedies can help you? Self-assurance is the confidence in our own abilities. A self-assured person lives their life with intention. Thus, their path becomes their own rather than comparing themselves with others. They do not work towards the goals of others which do not fulfill them. Someone who is self-assured shows confidence in what they say and do because they are sure of their own abilities. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. We can see in every walks of life. We feel like doing something, but our parents or teachers tell and try to make us to do something else which we are not interested in. And when we fall in the trap, then we feel and do what they tell us to do, then we become sad in the end. A flower does not think of competing to the flower next to it. It just blooms. Now, let's see how Bach Flower Remedies can help in self-assurance. Some people do not mingle with others, but they work on their own. They feel that they have a unique journey to follow and so they remain isolated. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Water Violet will help us to connect with others while respecting our own journey. Some people are suspicious and have a thought that others are against them. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Holy will foster a sense of trust and emotional security. Sometimes we are pressurized to follow a path which we do not like. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Walnut will help us to adapt to the change and stay true to our path. It provides us with inner strength and resilience against external influences. Sometimes we have a fear of being judged or going alone. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Mimulus will help us to build courage and confidence in our individual journey. These are some of the remedies which could support self-assurance, trust, and a feeling of peaceful independence. It makes it easy to follow our own path without feeling opposed or isolated. These are some of the remedies which could help in self-assurance. If you all like this video, like, share, comment. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.